Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to see about the topic bioswology topic. The first topic, related to botany, the living world. Okay, the classification and the taxonomy. The first also the same topic. What is living organism? Living organism show a variety of unique character different from non-living organism. What is living organism? Living organisms show a variety of unique character different from non-living organisms. Okay, what are the key characters of living organism? Already know. So all organisms is made up of cell. So group of cell joined together, tissue joined together, organ joined together, organ system joined together, individual organism joined together, population organ joined together, community joined together, ecosystem and ecosystem joined together, last biosphere. Okay, it is what are the key characters involved in the what are the key characters of living organism? The first one cellular, next one organization, okay, next one respiration and metabolism. So next one growth, next one response to stimuli. So okay, so next one reproduction and hemostasis and adaptation. Reproduction and hemostasis. So last one adaptation. So okay, so what are the key characters? First one cellular level or organization. So next one respiration means exchange of gases. What is the meaning of metabolism? Metabolism means so all the chemical reaction are taking place inside the living organism, that is called metabolism. Okay, metabolism also two types, already I told in botany classes. First one anabolism and one catabolism. What is anabolism? Means building a process. Catabolism means it's a breaking down process. Okay, so anabolism is the best example, synthesis of amino acid, synthesis of protein from amino acid, and catabolism example, glucose split into carbon dioxide and water, that is called metabolism process. So next one, what is growth? Already know. What is the response of stimuli? So all the animals respond to the stimuli, and plant also responds to stimuli. Example, plant shoot responds towards the stimulus, towards the light stimulus. Okay, and so Mimosa pudica plant also closes on touching. This is one type of the stimuli. Next one, reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a biological process. Reproduction is a fundamental feature of all living organisms. It is a tendency of all living organisms to perpetuate its own species, that is called reproduction. Okay, reproduction is a two type, already you know, asexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is the absence of sexual reproduction. This type of reproduction, single parent involved without involvement of gamete, this is called reproduction. Okay, it is a lower plants and fungi. There is a many method: budding, okay, fragmentation, regeneration, and binary fission. There are so many methods. So see in many animals. So next one, hemostasis. What is the meaning of hemostasis? Hemostasis means to maintain a steady state within an environment. That is called hemostasis. Okay, so next one, adaptation method. Okay, these are the key character of including the living world. Okay, this is a basic. Okay, next, what is here? We should know some terms. What is ecosystem? What is ecosystem? What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a community of abiotic and abiotic factors and their interrelationship. Okay, what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is what is ecosystem? Is a community of. Ecosystem is a community of. Okay, it is a community of biotic and abiotic factors and their interrelationship and the interrelationship is called ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem was introduced by Translee. The scientist name Translee. Okay, it is very important one word, note it. Okay, so next one, biological diversity or biodiversity. Tamil biodiversity na palluyir tanmai, that is called biodiversity or biological diversity. Okay, so next one, what is biodiversity? Biodiversity. Biodiversity means the presence of large number of species in a particular ecosystem is called biodiversity. Okay, the presence of large number of species. The presence of large number of species in a particular ecosystem is called biodiversity or biological diversity. Okay, so the term biodiversity was first introduced by Walter Rosen. Okay, Walter Rosen, the scientist name, first introduced by Walter Rosen. Next, it is defined by Wilson. It is defined by Wilson. It is introduced by Walter Rosen. Okay, first, what is biodiversity means the presence of large number of species in a particular ecosystem is called biodiversity or biological diversity, first introduced by Walter Rosen. Next, it is defined by scientist named Wilson. Next, classification. What is classification? Classification is a process. Okay, this classification is a process. Next, classification. Classification. What is classification? Classification is a process by which the things are grouped in convenient category. Okay, based on the easily observable character, that is called classification. What is classification? Classification is a process by which the things are grouped in convenient categories based on the easily observable character. Based on the easily observable character. This is called classification. Okay, the first one, the science of classification is called taxonomy. What is classification? Classification is a process by which the things are grouped in convenient category based on the easily observable character is called classification. Okay, the science of this classification is known as taxonomy. What is the use of the classification? Uses. First one, to identify and differentiate the close related species. First one, to identify and differentiate close related species. Okay, closely related species. Okay, first one, to identify and differentiate the closely related species. The second one, to understand the evolution of species. Okay, to understand the evolution of the species. To understand the evolution of பரிணாமம் சொல்வாங்க, எப்படி வளர்ந்து வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு. That is called evolution of species. Okay, that is the importance of the classification. Okay, next one, taxonomy. What is the meaning of taxonomy? Taxis means arrangement. Nomos means law. That is called taxonomy. Taxonomy. What is taxonomy? Taxis means law. Sorry, arrangement. Yes. Arrangement. Norms means law. Okay, it is a science of arrangement of living organisms that is called taxonomy. What is taxonomy? The science of arrangement of living organisms that is called taxonomy. The arrangement of living organism. The arrangement of living organisms is called taxonomy. The first the taxonomy was introduced by Cantor. Okay, the word taxonomy was coined by the word taxonomy. The word taxonomy was coined by Cantor. The scientist name Cantor. Okay, it is very important one word. Note it, students. Okay, the taxonomy, the word coined by Cantor. Okay, what is taxonomy means? Taxonomy is a theoretical study of classification and basic principle, procedure and rules. Okay, what is classification? So, what is taxonomy? Taxonomy is a theoretical study of classification. It is a theoretical study of classification, basic principles, rules and procedure. Okay. What is classification? What is taxonomy? Taxonomy is the theoretical study of classification. Okay, it is with well-defined principle, rules and procedure. It is called taxonomy. Okay. Father of taxonomy, Aristotle, and father of modern taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, first one, father of taxonomy. Don't confuse students. First one, the word taxonomy coined by Cantor. Okay, the three scientists' name is there. First one, Cantor, the father of taxonomy. Father of taxonomy. The father of taxonomy, Aristotle. Okay. So next one, father of modern taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus. So scientist name Carolus Linnaeus. Okay. The father of taxonomy Aristotle and also father of zoology also Aristotle. The scientist name Aristotle. Okay, students. So next one, this system include the taxonomy system include the eight taxonomy. First one, domain. So next one, kingdom. Okay. Phylum, class, order, genus, species. Okay. So what are the one? First one, domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order. So next family, next genus, species. Okay, that is the kingdom of classification. Enna varuna kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species name. Okay, first we see the history of classification. What is the history of classification? Early classification of organisms were classified beneficial or harmful microorganisms. The first one, early classification. And the first classification, early classification of animals based on the beneficial and harmful microorganism. Beneficial or harmful microorganisms. Harmful microorganism. History of classification. History of classification. Okay, first based on the beneficial or harmful microorganism. So next one, Aristotle was the first to classify all animals in his book History of Animals. அவரோட book என்ன book அப்படினா History of Animals. First classify பண்றது Aristotle was first to classify the all animals and in his book name History of Classification. First one, the animals were classified based on the locomotion. Animals first based on the locomotion. What is the meaning of locomotion? Locomotion means move from one place to another place. That is called locomotion. Walking and swimming and flying. Okay. For animals are classified based on the locomotion, walking, swimming and flying. Okay, next one, the based on presence or absence of red blood. ஏதாச்சும் பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க based on presence or absence of blood, red blood. RBC சொல்லுவோம்ல, red blood corpuscles, that is called red blood. First one, anemia. Second one, anemia. Anemia and anemia. ANAI. Okay, anemia. What is anemia? Anemia means with blood. Anemia means without blood. Anemia means with blood. Anemia means without blood. Okay, do you understand the history of classification? The first one, the scientist name, the Aristotle was to classify the all animals in his book History of Animals. Next, the animals were classified based on the locomotion, walking, swimming and flying. Next, based on the animals classification or based on the presence or absence of red blood, anemia and anemia. Anemia means with blood, anemia means without blood. இந்த மாதிரி பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க. Next, after Aristotle, his student, the scientist name Theophrastus. The scientist name Theophrastus. The scientist name Aristotle's student, he continued the research of classification. The Theophrastus. Okay, Theophrastus is a father of botany. Father of Theophrastus is a father of botany. Okay, it is another one which continued his research. Okay, and one, the Sweden biologist name Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, the father of modern taxonomy, developed a scientific system of classification and binomial culture. Developed a scientific system of classification and binomial nomenclature. Okay, yaru? The scientist name Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, it is here. Carolus is the father of classification. Okay, he generated the scientific system of classification and binomial nomenclature. The first one, the history of classification. The first scientist name Aristotle. So next scientist name, next one Theophrastus. The next scientist name Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, next one, cladogram. What is the meaning of cladogram? Cladogram is evolutionary relationship with the help of tree diagram. That is called cladogram. What is cladogram? Cladogram na, it is a evolutionary relationship, okay, with the help of tree diagram. And the tree diagram is explain பண்றது, that is called cladogram. Okay, next one, the Argus Whittaker is proposed to a 5 kingdom of classification. This is very important classification. Okay, first one, the system of classification is many. What is classification? Classification is a process by which the things are grouped in convenient category based on the visible observable character, that is called classification. Okay, already you know. So system of classification, 2 kingdom classification, 3 kingdom classification, 5 kingdom classification, and 4 kingdom and 5 kingdom classification. Okay, the first is the two kingdom classification. Already I told in botany classes, again I repeat. Okay, so lineage. So first one, two kingdom classification proposed by Carl Linnaeus, include the planta and animalia. Next, 3 kingdom classification include the Ernest Haeckel, Procida, planta and animalia. So 4 kingdom classification again included the Monera family is included. Okay, next what is Monera family? It is a mostly unicellular family. Next 5 kingdom classification, Monera, Procida, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia included. What is the use 5 kingdom classification is proposed by August Whittaker in year 1969. The first one Monera, so all Monera is a prokaryotic type. The level of organization mostly in unicellular organization, rarely multicellular. I already know what is unicellular. It is made up of single cell, that is called unicellular. What is multicellular? It is more than one cell, that is called multicellular. Another one, the cell wall formation present. It is a peptidoglycan. Okay, next one, nutrition is a common autotrophic nutrition. Motility, does not motile or non-motile. Next organisms names, Archaeobacteria, Eubacteria. Okay. So next one, Procida is a eukaryotic level of organization. This is also unicellular unicellular. Next is the cell wall present in some made up of cellulose. Okay. Nutrition, autotrophic. The next one, motility. Motile or non-motile organisms, Euglena, amoeba, plasmodium. Okay. So next one, fungi. Fungi is eukaryotic. It is a multicellular. Okay. Another one, the cell wall is present, is made up of chitin or cellulose. Nutrition, heterotrophic. It is a non-motile. Example, yeast, mushroom is a fungi. Best example. Next to plantae. So all plants are eukaryotes. Eukaryotes means it is not a cellular level. It is a tissue and organ level. Okay, organ tissue la uruvayidum. So it is a present of it is a plant is made up of cellulose. It is autotrophic. It can prepare their own food. It is called autotrophic. It is the process name already you know photosynthesis name. Okay, the plants does not move from one place to another place, so it is called mostly non-motile type. Next one, the organism algae, deltophates, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Next, the last one, animalia. All animals are eukaryotes. Eukaryotes means U means true, karyo means nucleus. Eukaryotic cell does contain well-defined nucleus, nuclear membrane, and nuclear membrane organelles, mitochondria, Golgi body, and nucleus. So it is called a complete cell. Okay, it is a cell wall is absent. The nutrition is holozoic. Okay, next one, the motility is moved from one place to another place. Next, organism, sponges, invertebrate and vertebrate. What is the meaning of invertebrate? Invertebrate means without backbone. Vertebrate means with backbone. That is called animalia. Okay, what is the main merits and demerits? What are the demerits? Virus is not included in the kingdom. It is one of the main demerits. Merit means it is based on the mode of nutrition, separation of fungi. Okay, fungi from other plant. That is the main merits of the 5 kingdom animals. Okay, it is a very important. Student, first today what to learn today in biozoology? First see the living world. Next what is biodiversity? Okay. Next what is ecosystem? What is classification? So next we see the topic taxonomy. Another one, history of classification, history of taxonomy and classification. So next what is cladogram? Next what is classification? System of classification 2, 3, 4, 5 classification. The 5 kingdom of classification is proposed by August Whittaker. What are the comparison of 5 kingdom classification? So today homework, comparison of 5 kingdom classification. 5 kingdom of classification. Thank you, students.